Alright, this student with QuickTurn Rescues. Alright, we got a jump we've been attend to. See if we get this person back on the road. I get up with you at the scene.
Take your next right onto Aquamarine Avenue.
Alright, we're about 1 minute out.
Turn right onto Aquamarine Avenue. Then your destination will be on the right.
Okay. You want to come right here?
Yep.
And it should be, you see this little lever right here?
Nope.
Okay.
Too much sun.
It's right here.
Right here?
See where my finger right here? Right here. You see this little lever right there?
Lever.
Yeah, right there. Pull that, pull it out. Yep, there you go.
Look at that. It's a good thing it's so concealed. Otherwise, you know, driving and having a cop.
And then you want to come right here and this little,
Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute.
it's a little lever right here.
All right, let me see.
Yep.
Okay.
Pull that out and then lift it up. Yep, just like that.
Well, there it is.
Now you know. Here's your battery right here.
Okay.
Terminals are tight, so.
The car was just in for service last month, and it checked out. But on the other hand, I've been down here 5 years, and this is the
It's at
battery
11.
I came down with.
Okay.
So I'm thinking that maybe it's time for a change.
Yeah, it's at 11.6, so it's a little low. So yeah.
What did you say?
It's at 11 volts. So yeah, we get you jumped up. All right, you go ahead and start it up.
What's that?
You go ahead and start it up.
Well, I don't have my key fob.
Oh, okay. Your alternator's charging. You're at 14, so your alternator's good. I would just let it.
I can't hear you.
I see your alternator's good. Your alternator's charging, so your alternator's good. Just let it. I'll let the battery charge it. It's just a low. Did you leave anything on or anything?
It what?
Did you leave anything on in your car, vehicle?
No.
Yeah, I would just let it run for about 20 minutes, and then you're good to go. Oh, you plan to drive somewhere?
I'm going to drive it to the...
Okay, yeah, you'll be good to go.
But I should keep the car running.
Yep, keep the car running.
For about 20 minutes.
Yep.
They're going to have to replace the battery, I guess.
Yeah.
That's better than the alternative.
Alternator, better than alternator.
Thank you very much.
All right, no problem. You enjoy the rest of your day.
I will now. Okay, leave it running for 20 minutes.
Yep. Well, like I said on your ride,
I'll leave.
you can ride up there and you'll be good.
Okay.
It's always better to run it, you know,
right.
driving. So,
Yay, thank you.
no problem.